What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As always, AZ here behind the camera. How's it going? And today it's Mystery Monday, and we've got a whole case of Cupid Deadly Series 4 Mystery Minis. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know I love my Cupid Deadlies. They are, hands down, the greatest Mystery Minis out there. Now, this is, as you see, a full, beautiful case of the Series 4. And everyone that comes in it is right on back. That's pretty freaking awesome. And I'm familiar with most of these people. The only ones I don't really know where they're from would be Ava in the top middle there, and Malto and Mira Ann in the middle section and middle section of the middle row. And of course we've got two mystery figures. Perfect for Mystery Monday. And this could pretty much be a clearance collecting video as well, because I got this whole case on sale. Now, there's 12 in there, $9.99 a piece. That's $120 plus tax. I only paid $80 for this whole case. Because, now I'm not going to guarantee every GameStop's going to do this. My GameStop really likes me. So they had that 20% off bag. Anything you put in it, you pay $5, you get this bag. Anything that fits in there is an extra 20% off. Now, I filled the bag up, and I saw this, and I said, can I get this whole case and get it on sale? And they're like, go for it. Of course, you know, they're making money. Why not? And, yeah, well, of course, I asked my wife first. You know, gotta ask the missus. That's a lot of money, still $80. But, yeah. So, I got this whole case for only $80. And that was when this first dropped. Of course, now they have Series 5, which is an all Overwatch one. I haven't gotten any of those figures yet. Because if I did, I'd want to do a whole case like this, and I haven't had an extra money like that in a long time. But we're going to keep it top right row, top left row, bottom right, bottom left, and it's perfectly normal. I didn't switch any boxes around in case people are wondering about that, like which figures are coming from which area. In case every case is like that, I don't know. But I didn't mess the boxes up. The store didn't mess the boxes up. Let's break these bad boys open. Number 1. So we got our first one here, and it's feeling like a smaller character, so I'm gonna say this right off the bat, this could be our Genji or our D.Va. Let's get a little bit deeper into it. Ooh, it's in a plastic casing. That makes it a little bit harder. I think it's gonna be our Genji. Yep, we've got the carbon fiber Genji right off the bat. That's number 1. Very nice. Number 2. Okay, we've got our second one here. And, this one, I'm gonna say this one might be Torbjorn down there. Possibly Greymane. It's feeling like a little bit more of a wider spread. Ooh, yeah, that is definitely Torbjorn. Oh yeah, and we've got Torbjorn from Overwatch. This is his classic color. I have gotten one of these already. Actually, that might have been a Series 5. So I might have gotten a couple of the Series 5. I don't remember, but it was a blue version of him. So, that's number 2. Number 3. And we've got number 3 here. This one is also feeling like a bigger character. Only, okay, this one is either Greymane or Valrok. Those are my 2 guesses for this one. Ooh, that is definitely a big guy. Still not sure, still not sure. Wait a second. It could be Malto. No! I was right one of the first times. We've got Varrock Surefang, and this is freaking awesome. Bump the camera a little bit. This one is really amazing. The detail, all the spikes, the axe. Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful one. Number 3, everyone. And that will be the top right row. So we've got Carbon Fiber Genji, Torbjorn, and Surefang. Number 4. Okay, number 4 is definitely a smaller character. This one, I'm gonna say this one might be Ava there. And maybe Anduin? Possible. Okay. Still not 100% sure. Oh, I was wrong on every aspect of it. We've got our White Rabbit Diva. Again, just a little baby diva action, holding up the peace sign. Another color variant. Not bad. Number 5. Number 5 is definitely in one of those plastic casings. It's making it very hard to tell, but I think it's going to be a smaller figure. I have no guesses at this point. Okay. Upon touching it, I still have absolutely no idea who we've got here. Oh, yep. The way it was sitting made it pretty hard to get any grip on anything. But we've got Sylvanas, the leader of the undead from World of Warcraft. And this one is beautiful. The World of Warcraft ones are just looking awesome and, dare I say, super. That's number 5. Number 6. Oh man, number 6 here is even lighter than the last one. I would have figured Diva would have been the lightest one. Oh man, my only guesses for this would be the Necromancer, Ava, or Anduin. I'm getting a little bit of something, but not a whole lot. I'm gonna say it's the Necromancer. Yeah, I think. Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about. We've got the Necromancer. Again, I'm not 100% sure which game she's supposed to be from, but I do think it's supposed to be one of the Diablos. Very amazing, and again, just all the little detail that's in there in these figures is just beautiful. That was the last one. So that is the top row right there, guys. Nice little mixture. We've got 3 Overwatch, 2 World of Warcraft, and 1 possible Diablo figure. We're going to be moving on to the bottom row next. Number 7. Okay, we've got another smaller character here. It's gonna be down to one of the last few, of course. Anduin, Ava, or Mirahan. Pretty sure this isn't Malto or Greymane. Still looking for those mystery figures as well. Oh, this is Ava. 100% sure this is Ava now. Oh no, it's Mirahan. What? The hair, I felt the hair and I thought I was right. But no, we've got Mirahan. I'm not sure who she is, where she comes from, possibly a StarCraft character or Heroes of the Storm. Please let me know if you know in the comments below. Number 7. Number 8. And number 8 here, guys, this is a big one, so I'm 100% sure we've got Greymane here. Or one of the mystery characters. So, yeah, this is Greymane. This has to be. Yep, we got a claw there. Wow, he is huge. He doesn't really feel as heavy as he looks, to be honest, but this guy is crazy looking. And if I'm not mistaken, it's been a long time since I played World of Warcraft, but I'm pretty sure he is the leader of the Worgens, which are like the werewolf creatures characters, or race. in World of Warcraft. And again, just beautiful detail everywhere on this guy. Really awesome. Number 9. Okay, we've got number 9 here, and feels like I have no idea. This one is a bit of a mystery. It might be Malto. I might be feeling a staff. No staff. So possibly Ava or Anduin? No, we've, I haven't really seen who we got here, but we've got our first... Nope, never mind, it threw me off. I thought we had our first mystery character, but this is Ava. And I'm quite certain she's from Hearthstone, because she's holding 3 Hearthstone cards there. Very nice touch, and beautiful. Altogether, again, no idea how she plays into Hearthstone. Please let me know if you know in the comments below. But pretty cool character. I like the look of her, and that just is a really nice touch. The Hearthstone card, the Hearthstone symbol on them, beautiful detail. Number 10, final row. Okay guys, we've got number 10 here, and this is in one of those little plastic inserts, making it a little hard to tell, but I am pretty sure we've got Malto. I think I feel his staff. Yes, indeed, we have the one and only Malto. Very cool. Actually, I didn't really take a close look at his picture on the box, but I did not realize that was a little baby dragon on top of his staff. I thought it was a gem or something. So that's really cool. Again, I think this is a Hearthstone character, but I'm not 100% sure. My guessing is because he looks like a gnome from World of Warcraft, and Hearthstone is pretty much a World of Warcraft card game, so that is a really awesome character, though. I really like this guy. Pretty sweet. Number 10. Number 11. And we've got number 11 here, guys. This might be Anduin, but it could also be one of the mystery characters. Oh, that's the stand. So my final guess is Anduin. I have no idea who the mystery character is going to be. So let's see who we got here. And there's only one left, so that means this is either Anduin, a mystery character, or duplicate. But I don't think you're going to get any duplicates if you get a whole case of them. And yep, we've got Anduin here. That is pretty awesome. This is another amazing figure. I mean, he's holding his helmet there. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be his helmet. And all the detail in his armor and everything is just beautiful. Especially the chest plate there. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. This is really an amazing figure. And he is pretty much, I forget how the storyline entirely goes, but I'm pretty sure he is the now king of Azeroth, or the Alliance, or the humans, or whatever you want to say. But pretty awesome character. Number 12. And we've got our last character here, guys. So we've got all of the commons. We've got all the commons there. We've only got 2 mystery figures left. Final box, so obviously you don't get every character in a full case. But we're going to see if this is one of the mystery characters. And then I might test my theory out later on if I see a full case of these guys. So let's see who we've got here. I'm not even going to bother trying to feel it up or take a guess. I'm just going to slowly rip it open here and build up the suspense until we get a very slow... Oh crap, that wasn't the final character. I just saw the top head, and I completely forgot. Ana from Overwatch. How could I forget we didn't get Ana? Oh my goodness. But we've got Ana here. So unfortunately, we did not get either of the mystery figures. So that's I don't know how to figure this one out, people. So it could be complete randomness with the Overwatch cases, or Overwatch cute but deadly cases. In which case, I would be very happy with that. I'd really prefer that, leaving it more of a mystery, not figuring out some algorithm to, oh, which character is going to be in which slot, so I only have to buy one. I mean, why not get all of them? It's pretty awesome. So there you guys have it. We've got a whole case here of Cute but Deadly Series 4. And we've got all the figures, all the common figures came in this case. There are still 2 mystery figures. And unfortunately, I can't test my theory out now, because if this would have been the mystery figure, I would have been like, okay, so the bottom left furthest one from the front of the case is the possibility of getting one of the mystery figures. But obviously, we cannot test that theory out. So if you got one of the mystery figures, please let me know. Which characters are they? What do they look like? What's so special about them? But if not, let me know if you picked up any of these guys or any of the newer ones. Let me know how you're thinking of these Cute but Deadlies. Am I boasting them up too much, or do you agree with me? Do you think these are some of the greatest mystery minis out there? So there you guys have it. There is my giant Mystery Monday for you. I hope you guys liked it, and if you really enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, join the Grumble today. And check out some of our other social media. We're starting to get it all pumping on all grounds. We've got the old Instagram, Twitch. We even have a Facebook page now. I personally haven't been on it yet, but my buddy Kyle has been taking over on that pretty well. So go chat him up. If you see him doing a live stream, pop in and say hi to Kyle. He's my new partner in this, and we'll be doing a video explaining how that came to be even very soon. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy your day. Have a great day, a great week. Keep on trucking. Until next time, peace out.